In this video, we're on site at Action Car and Truck, checking out the latest MBRP options for your half-ton Chevy. Alright, so we got the system on. As we always mention, MBRP is a compliant company. We're going to pick it up right here. Using MBRP's 3-inch manual bent tubing, utilizing our Helmholtz technology. This technology helps reduce the drone in the cab, easily talk with other passengers in the vehicle while maintaining that great MBRP sound. Moving back to our high flow muffler, single in, dual out, exiting into the rear tail sections behind the cab in front of the rear tire. This system comes with stainless tips. You can also switch this to black to suit the look of your vehicle.